Good morning. Welcome to our booth at Label Expo. At DIC, today we are providing you a lot of innovation solutions for your labeling and your other needs. Please have a walk-in with us into our booth to see what we are displaying at this exhibition. DIC Sun Chemical not only offers the world-class standard products, but also offers standard quality services which are beyond what you might expect. Our services include responsive, proactive technical support, digital color solutions, streamlined ink management services, regulatory compliance solutions, state-of-the-art technology, and pioneering advancements. We believe in innovating today for a sustainable tomorrow, and we would like to partner with you on providing standard world-class solutions and products. DIC provides you digitization color tools to make your color matching and your color fidelity perfect. We have the concept of Sun Color Box, which we can implement at your ink management systems so that you get the right shade at the right time with the lowest corrections possible each and every time. With this, we provide you utmost confidence for building your brand and also staying true to your brand colors. We offer this solution to all our customers, whether it is in flexibles or in narrow web. Please make use of this facility that DIC provides as a service. DIC is a one-stop solution. We have products which are globally well validated, and we have both the brands of Sun Chemical and DIC, which we are able to supply in India. Look at our avenue of products. We have flexographic, gravure, functional coating and adhesives, metal deco inks for your can needs, offset UV ink and varnish, and usings. Every part of your life gets touched by DIC every day.
We have our standard UV inks and UV LED inks for many liquor and this kind of labels. We also having cold foil laminating adhesives and various UV coatings like high slip, high gloss, then matte, satin matte, everything we have. Now coming to our specially designed high adhesion inks, SINT along with solar tube coatings. So this is basically for the laminating tubes. Then next range is basically in the UV LED and normal standard UV inks, especially for high performance detergent packs. So these inks are soap resistant and high light fastness. We also having laminating adhesives to cover this full industry. Now we are coming to our latest next generation low migration inks. So we have Solar Wave FSP. It's a next generation inks for UV LED application for low migration for food and pharma. Next is Rayoflex ink. This is standard UV inks, but this is migration compliant. So we have UV inks and UV coating to cover full food and pharma industry.
For ice cream cone packaging for paper and aluminum foil applications, we have high resistance inks, defreeze resistance inks. We have high scratch overprint varnishes, and these are excellent adhesion on aluminum foil. For wraparound labels, we have solutions for high speed packaging lines. So this is with solvent base inks, and also we have specially developed this wraparound label OPV for high speed packaging applications. We offer variety of solutions for outdoor packaging. This is for high chemical resistance UV inks and high resistant UV varnishes. For coffee cups, we offer variety of solutions also for Neptune, Aquathene and Sunstar. This is mainly for hot packaging applications.
In offset division, we have whole gamut of ink series like Genexer MO Free, Color Plus MO Free, Aquashine coatings, and UV LED inks. These are all regulatory compliance ink, and we are able to cater whole sheet-fed gamut by these ink series.
We have a range of toluene-free and water-based products for the safe and sustainable packaging solutions. These inks are very specific as they are free from all the hazardous chemicals and are very specific to the food packaging applications. So let me give a brief of the products that we have. To start with, we have the water-based inks called the EquaSmart. These inks are the polyurethane technology base and are very specific to the gravure reverse applications. And they got low VOC and environmental friendly and are very good for the food packaging applications. Now from water base to the solvent base, we have a range of gravure, toluene free and toluene and ketone free ink series for the reverse packaging applications. We have Smart KF, which is non-toluene, non-ketone ink series. We have Smart TF and Artlem TF, which is a toluene free series. We have GLX 1012, which is a PVC free ink series, and NTNK. We also have the ink series called the new generation resin technology, low viscosity, high strength inks, both in toluene ketone free and toluene free, called Hikari HSTF and Hikari HSKF. Altogether, these ink series are very specific to the safe and environmental friendly gravure packaging applications.
GIC Sun Chemical is fully committed to the environmental sustainability goals. We work on a principle of 5R. The 5R principle is reuse, reduce, renew, recycle and redesign. And we have full products that follow the entire gamut of the 5R principle. We believe in making this planet a sustainable, healthy, living planet. Please join us in this venture.